most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Good morning, everybody. Great to be back with you here on a Monday, and it is a dreary start to the day as we take a look at a lot of low clouds over Hershey, some visibility issues this morning. Allie mentioned that it was going to be a busy day in Hershey with graduations and the concert tonight and everything else that's going on, and I do think the weather will slightly improve. Now, it's not going to be a great summer day, but I do think later today it's just going to be cloudy, less damp as we move into the afternoon, kind of like yesterday. It was kind of a damp, cloudy day, but it was not raining the entire time. And I do think these showers are going to give way to just some clouds. Now, Carlisle, so far the winner with 1/3 of an inch of rain. That's since midnight as temperatures kind of hover around 60 for everybody this morning. Wormleysburg at 3/10 of an inch. Gettysburg coming in at just over 1/10 of an inch. Same with Mechanicsburg at 57 degrees and 16/100 of an inch of rain. And the rain kind of slowly moving, but it's not heavy. It's just more of a nuisance this morning as these showers are around. It's also creating some foggy conditions with low ceilings out there. So it is just another dreary start to the day here across central Pennsylvania, and more rain is expected off and on throughout this week. It does look unsettled. Temperatures starting, as I mentioned, right around 60 degrees in most spots this morning, and dew points in the 50s. It's not all that muggy out. That's going to change too by midweek. I think the humidity will increase Wednesday and Thursday. We'll take a look ahead at that. But notice the almanac from yesterday. Very little what we call diurnal movement. The low temperature was 61. We didn't get that warm. It was only 64. That's almost 20 degrees below our normal high. And I think we're going to do that again today. Temperature stuck in the mid-60s. We picked up almost a ½ inch of rain at the airport, and we have about an inch for a surplus on the year. Not a surprise given how wet it has been dating back to the beginning of May. It continues in June. Same kind of view in Enola here that we had in Hershey. A lot of clouds, low ceilings, and look at the bar graph today. Temperatures staying in the 60s. Again, not really climbing much from where we're at this morning. I think it's going to be a day that's very similar to yesterday, and that makes sense considering, well, we have the same pattern. It's a stationary front. That means this boundary is going to be meandering sort of very close to us here, just to the south of us, and it's going to keep us unsettled for most of the week. Now, we're getting a wave to come through this morning with a few showers. Then we get a break, another wave tomorrow, another wave on Wednesday, and finally by Thursday, that could be the most active day and the chance for some severe weather. So if you want to be out tonight, I actually think it is going to improve. I don't think it's going to be as damp. So do you want to be swimming when it's in the mid-60s? I don't know. Maybe the pool's warm from last week. You can do it, though, if it's kind of your thing to take a dip after work. I don't expect it to be raining this evening, and that goes for any outdoor plans, by the way. Watch what happens here on Precision Cast. Yes, occasional showers throughout the day, but after about 3 or 4 o'clock, notice it just kind of stays cloudy overnight. Showers will be around again tomorrow, maybe even a rumble of thunder. So tomorrow, similar dreary weather. It'll be a little warmer tomorrow. And then again, on Wednesday, another wave rides along this stationary frontal boundary with scattered showers and thunderstorms. No day's going to be a washout, but each day's going to feature that threat. So if you do have outdoor plans, keep the ABC 27 weather app handy. Temperatures today, again, not climbing much. Into the mid-60s, a little bit dreary. Tonight, we kind of sit in the low to mid-60s, and then tomorrow, a little bit warmer, slightly more humid here, with temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 70s. The extended outlook shows, here's that middle part of the week. There's that Wednesday wave, but I think Thursday could be a day that features severe weather across the region as a cold front barrels through. Slightly drier for Friday and the weekend, but starting on Sunday, we start to see the potential workings of a heat wave heading into next week, so the weather kind of flips. So here's Thursday. You'll notice eastern Pennsylvania, most of our viewing area highlighted for a severe weather risk. The main threat, of course, other than heavy rain, would be damaging wind gusts here Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, something to keep in mind. The humidity really goes up, especially Wednesday and Thursday. We get a break from it Friday and Saturday, and then next week, looks like could be our first heat wave of the year. Check out the 10-day temperature trends here. So we remain cooler than average today, and then we get back up into the 80s the rest of this week. But could we see a run of 90-degree heat next week? I think it's looking more and more likely it will be our first heat wave of the year right after the summer solstice, so it makes sense. Today, 65, cloudy with occasional showers, especially this morning. Cloudy tonight with a low of 64, and here are the next 7 days of your life. Again, scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm tomorrow, 77. The humidity returns Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday will be an active day. If you have plans Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, stay tuned. Could be some severe weather there. Friday, mainly dry. Still won't rule out a stray storm later in the day, but I think Saturday and Sunday are going to be dry but hot.
Oh.
So let's hope that holds, because every Saturday, right, we've had to contend with some rain, and this would be a nice welcome change. And almost, right as the solstice occurs, we kind of get warm. So let's hope that happens.
We need a dry, sunny weekend.
Yes, we do. We'll take it if we can get it.
I am cranky.
You're not the only one.
I know.
Yes, indeed.
All right, stay with us. We'll be right back.